Holiday shopping can be stressful, time-consuming, and expensive, which are all things you shouldn't have to worry about. Now, lucky for you, CVS. They really are the one-stop shop offering incredible holiday beauty deals to help you stock up on everything you need without breaking the bank. From the skincare enthusiast, the beauty obsessed, to guys that love grooming, they have something for everyone. And you're on a mission to make holiday shopping easier and more convenient than ever. They have so many great gift sets from both trending and iconic brands such as Pixi, Essie, Burt's Bees, and more. They even have hundreds of gifts for under $20 and even $10 from great brands like e.l.f, Kristin Ess, Neutrogena, Maybelline Kiss, CoverGirl, and more. The Pixi Rose Glow Routine gift set, it comes with everything you need for an easy 3-step routine. It has makeup cleansing cloths, a rose cream cleanser, their cult favorite glow tonic, and the Rose Splash Bomb. Then the Essie Holiday Longwear Nail Polish Set. This creates salon quality longwear manicures at home without the UV lamp. It looks just like gel, but it removes like regular polish with no harsh soaking, scrubbing, or scraping needed. And finally, for the man on your list, the Beard Kit from The Wood. It's the perfect grooming routine starter kit, and it comes with beard wash, beard oil, and beard balm. Now, these are so great for Secret Santa, White Elephant, and of course, you can't forget a self-care treat for yourself. CVS has amazing products to help you care for your health and wellness from the inside out all year long. And even more, they make it so easy to shop and save. Simply head in store or shop online. You can even buy online and pick up in store. Be sure to scan that QR code on your screen for more details.